Welcome to WT History. In this series, we list all the major events that happened in the world in a year, starting from 1776 to 2024. On January 9th, the North Carolina General Assembly authorized the purchase of land to establish the town of Pittsboro, named after William Pitt the Younger, Prime Minister of Great Britain. Just 2 days later, on January 11th, William Herschel made a celestial discovery, finding Titania and Oberon, two moons orbiting Uranus. On January 19th, Mozart's Symphony No. 38 premiered in Prague. February 2nd saw Arthur St. Clair of Pennsylvania take the helm as the new president of the Congress of the Confederation. February 4th marked the end of Shays's rebellion in Massachusetts, put down by the Massachusetts State Militia under William Shepard and a privately funded local militia led by former Continental Army officer Benjamin Lincoln. On February 28th, a charter was granted for what would become the University of Pittsburgh. On March 3rd, Harrisburg was officially approved as the new capital of Pennsylvania. In May, the new church, also known as the Swedenborgian Church, was founded in England. On May 13th, Captain Arthur Phillip set sail with the First Fleet, carrying convicts to establish a penal colony in Australia. May 22nd saw the founding of the Society for Effecting the Abolition of the Slave Trade in Britain, a major step toward ending slavery. Orangist troops attack Vreeswijk, Harmelen and Marsen signaling the start of civil war in the Dutch Republic. May 31st witnessed the first cricket match at Lord's Cricket Ground, marking the birth of the Marylebone Cricket Club. On June 28th, Princess Wilhelmina of Orange, sister of King Frederick William II of Prussia, was captured by Dutch Republican patriots. August 10th, Mozart composed the timeless piece Eine kleine Nachtmusik. August 27th, John Fitch demonstrated the first U.S. patent for a steam-powered craft on the Delaware River. In September, Prussian troops invaded the Dutch Republic, leading to the exile of 40,000 patriots. September 17th was a historic day as the United States Constitution was signed in Philadelphia. October 1st saw the Battle of Kinburn during the Russo-Turkish War, with Alexander Suvorov securing a victory despite being wounded. On October 29th, Mozart's opera Don Giovanni premiered in Prague, another masterpiece by the legendary composer. November 21st, the Treaty of Versailles was signed, forming an alliance between France and the future Emperor of Vietnam, Lord Nguyen Phuc An. On December 3rd, James Rumsey demonstrated his waterjet-propelled boat on the Potomac River. December 7th, Delaware ratified the Constitution, becoming the first U.S. state. On December 8th, La Purísima Mission was founded in California by Padre Fermín Lasuen as the 11th of the Spanish missions in California. December 12th and 18th saw Pennsylvania and New Jersey ratify the Constitution, becoming the second and third U.S. states respectively. December 23rd, Captain William Bligh set sail on the HMS Bounty, beginning a historic voyage to Tahiti. Caroline Herschel is granted an annual salary of £50 by King George III of Great Britain for acting as assistant to her brother William in astronomy. Antoine Lavoisier suggested that silica is an oxide of a new metallic element, later named silicon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more historical explorations. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.